Okay, so I thought we would do a blue handle. Need to roll this out into a cord and then flatten it like I'm doing here. Whoops. There I go again, trying to do it too fast. Okay, so you need it pretty much as even as possible here while you're rolling it, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this other rolling pin and place it on top now. Notice how I was just kind of pulling it off slightly. You don't want to pull it too much because then you're going to stretch the design out and you don't want that. And then I'm just going to eyeball it here by cutting it. You could use the ruler on top if you want, but sometimes that'll flatten out your pattern and I don't want to do that. Okay, so I need to take this and I'll put it right up here, turn it over, and then take some water, pop some water on the back. Okay, so my handle's gonna go, this is over here, somewhere over here is gonna be the front, so I want the handle to come from somewhere over here, so I'll just pop it on here, down, and then back up over here. So it's a little long, so all I do is cut some off and pop it on. Okay, so that's our handle. Now the next step on the handle is usually at the top where it attaches. You'll have some little pieces sticking out. So we could just take a little bit of orange, roll it into a ball, take a little water, pop it right on there, take that and then put it right, just kind of flatten it out a little bit, just like so. Same thing on the other side, and voila! Okay, and then what we're going to do is our buckets are going to be fun, have some things on them. I thought, I love this mold. I found this mold. You can get these online, or some of your local cake stores have them. A lot of times you have to find them online. They have just little fish on them, so I'm going to take some yellow fondant. I'm going to keep everything bright for summer. Take some of this and just push it into the mold. It's sticking more to my hands, so I just push, touch the cornstarch and then push back on there, and then that way the fondant doesn't stick to my fingers. And then I pick it up and pop it out like so. Okay? If you want these to be a little bit firmer, you can pop the mold in the freezer and let these freeze up a bit, but it's not always necessary. So then I'm going to go ahead and pop this on here. Okay, and then I'm just going to do some more. Okay, then I'll put another one up here.